To do a Facebook ad with your new pending listing from the task list, click the down arrow on the far right hand side for social media posts and ads, your social media. Pick the tool you want to do the Facebook ad for. Typically it will be the landing page. And I will click the view icon. If I haven't done so already, I'll actually go through this as a lead would. I'll put an address in here, click through so I can see how it works. And then click on the URL to copy it. And then go to Facebook. And from anywhere within Facebook, hit the down arrow. Select Create Ads. And let Facebook cycle up. And if you get any kind of messages like this, just, for example, click Start Over or click through any messages that you may see. And the first thing here, under consideration, hit Traffic. And scroll down to campaign name, and I'll put the address and status. So 849 Maple Drive, Granite Bay, pending. Hit Continue. On the next page here, there's just a couple of sections that we're going to concern ourselves with. Audience, locations, and then include. And I'm going to include Granite Bay. I'll select with the drop down. But I'm going to take this 25 miles and do current city only. Now, if you're in a larger city, use zip codes. Right? We don't want the potential reach really to be over 100,000. So if you need to use, if your city is San Francisco, for example, pick some zip codes to type in there and try to watch your potential reach on this. Because now we're going after seller leads, so it's a little bit different. As I scroll down, age, I will say 26, and I'll leave the 65 plus. Under detailed targeting, add demographics. Homeowners, and I want homeowners as demographics. All right, I don't want interest, I want homeowners as demographics. I'm going to exclude realtors again, so I'm going to type in real estate under exclude. Make sure you're pausing this video as needed. And on the right hand column, just like before, if you watched the earlier videos, I'm looking for job title on the right hand side. Again, real estate, I can repeat this a couple of times. Again, there's job title. And I might also type in realtor. Sometimes realtor will come up with job title, sometimes not. In that case, it did not. Scroll down. If I'm ever going to run an ad to this audience again, I would click Save This Audience. In the second section on this page, we're going to look at budget and schedule. I will do a lifetime budget. I'm going to let my ad run from today, April 2nd. And I'm going to change the time. It's kind of a weird little thing Facebook does. I'm going to say 11 o'clock through, now Facebook's going to default to a month. We don't want to do a month. We want to do from April 2nd, for example, to April 9th, so for a week. And then the last part here is change that billing amount, and I'm going to say $35. All right, so $5 a day. You can adjust that, whatever you think is appropriate. Come down and click continue. Again, pause the video as needed. This is the last page. So under identity, I'm going to pick an unbranded community page, the best listing. I'll show you where you can set up an unbranded community page if you need. You have a lot of different formats. I like single image, although I recommend that you play around with the different ones over time to see which one works best for you. Everyone's going to have a different opinion about what works best for them. We get all the time. Lastly, links. Here's where I'm going to paste in that link I copied from earlier. And just to remind you, that link was this link here in the task list. I can click copy link, or I can view it and then copy and paste it. But back in the Facebook Ads Manager, here's my unbranded community page. So I'm going to edit the text on the left. It'll edit the text. It'll update the ad on the right. And I might go similar to what we did in the postings. All right, got your text there as appropriate. Again, with the hashtags. So on my Chrome Mac browser, I hit the edit emoji. In this case, I'm going to do a little chart going up. And again, if you sold it in 3 days, if you got it in pending 3 days above asking, put that in the top line right there. Don't be shy. Add a couple of hashtags as appropriate for the listing in your business. I can edit the headline here. I got my Learn More button. You continue to scroll down. I'll talk about this message next, but I'll show you how you can change this image if you need to, and hit confirm. All right. So the ad will start running starting at about 11 o'clock or whenever it is that Facebook approves it. It's going to run for a week for $35 to the city of Granite Bay only, to people that I think it was 27 and older, and I'm excluding real estate agents. All right. Now, a couple things. One, for a Facebook unbranded community page, from anywhere within Facebook, to create an unbranded community page, just hit the down arrow, similar to create ad, except you'll want to go to create group. Let's try that again. Create page, excuse me. Cause or community. Give it a name. Whatever you want to call your unbranded community page, and click the Get Started. Now, actually watch the video below for how to edit the image. All right, so watch the social media share image video below this one on how to check that image, and that'll help you with the social media share images. Typically, and I think you'll see, in fact, I'll show you right now. If I click the social media share image drop down for social media share image here, I can actually download this image, and I'm going to check it with the Facebook image text check tool. You'll see that link to right in the section here, right above the image. So I click the download button, and let's wait for that to download. There we go. So my image just downloaded. What I'm doing now is I'm checking Facebook image text check. This will allow me to see, does my image really have too much text? So I'll click upload. Here's the image we just downloaded. You can open it up. So my image text is low. My ad may be slightly lower. So let me show you how to fix that right now. For example, maybe I just want to go to one line. And I can save it. Now I'll click to download. Then what I can do is I can go back over to Facebook, and I'll swap out that current image. So now back in the Ads Manager, if I scroll up, I can click Add More Images. Here's the image that we just redid. Click Open. Click to get rid of the other one, and now that's our image. All right, so if you have that image problem, we got rid of the message right there, and click confirm, and we'll be good to go. All right, so keep watching more videos in this playlist for more ideas on how to generate buyer and seller leads from your new listing that went pending, and we'll talk to you soon.